Super delicious Rasmalai. It is one of the most favorite sweets. Rasmalai preparation. 2-liter milk. Boil on medium flame. Once it boils, switch off the flame. Two tablespoons vinegar. 1/4 cup water. Slowly add into the boiled milk. Keep on stirring. Add remaining vinegar water mix. Slowly it solidifies and leaves water. Slowly keep on stirring. In strainer, take cotton cloth. Transfer it here. Rinse with fresh water to remove vinegar smell. Squeeze out the water. Leave it aside for approx 30 minutes. Masala milk preparation. 1½ cup sugar. 1/4 cup pistachios. 1/4 cup almond. Few strands of saffron kesar. 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder. Add 1 liter milk. Mix well. Keep in microwave. Cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Once finished, take this out. Let it cool down. Syrup preparation. 1 cup sugar. 4 cups water. Mix well. Cook on high power in microwave for 20 minutes. In the meantime, take out extracted chhena after 30 minutes. If not sufficient moisture, add few drops of water. Cream chenna with your palm until smooth and creamy. Please make sure that it's smooth and creamy, otherwise rasmalai will be hard. Then add 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Keep on mixing till it's completely smooth. Once ready, take a small portion. Make a flat round shape. Once syrup is ready, take this out. Dip rasmalai into it. Wrap it with cling film. Poke it with toothpick or fork. Keep it inside microwave. Cook for 15 minutes on high power. Once ready, take this out. Squeeze out juice from rasmalai. Dip into the masala milk. Wrap and keep in refrigerator for 5 hours. Soft, juicy, and delicious rasmalai ready. If you have not subscribed my channel, please feel free to subscribe it.